Are you looking for a 3-bedroom home and a den in the northwest part of the valley? One that is nestled inside a gated community with a playground and only a quarter-mile away from a middle school? Well, this might be a home for you. Let's go take a look inside. The second level is home to your living area, the kitchen with upgraded backsplash, the dining room, and an access to the balcony. And let's not forget this modern stacked stone accent wall. The third level has all 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and the laundry room. On the first level, you have the garage opening up into the den with a 3/4 bath and lots of storage. 6648 Weeping Pine Street is 30 minutes away from Harry Reid International Airport, Creech Air Force Base, and Nellis Air Force Base, making this home a great choice for our military families. It's a quick 25-minute ride to Mount Charleston and very close to all the parks and amenities near Providence and Sky Canyon. Thank you for taking a tour of this beautiful home with me today. I am Mary Kay Beckman. Contact me for more information. In the meantime, live life, enjoy life.